Another Hoffmann custom-made machine. This double mitre saw and routing machine is based on our standard model MS35SF and is equipped with special features. It ensures precision 45-degree mitre cuts and is designed to process workpieces up to a cross-section of 90 by 90 millimeters. The machine's special equipment includes a 10-inch touch panel control and intuitive software, an automated NC-controlled workpiece positioning system, an NC-controlled keyway positioning, as well as NC-controlled keyway depth adjustment. It's built with high-frequency motors and NC feed control, with a rapid dimension compensation, a double routing feature for groove cleaning, and last but not least, external project can be imported into the machine. The finished workpiece with 2 keyways for the Hoffmann keys. The machine can handle plastic profiles, solid material, foil-wrapped sections and melamine-coated moldings, as well as composite materials. On the 10-inch touch screen, we first set the length to be cut. We choose a tip-to-tip dimension of 1,800 millimeters. By pushing the start button, the fence stop moves to this preset length. The machine is ready for processing. To set the keyway data, we simply enter the first keyway position with 25 mm in reference to the corner and the keyway length with 25 mm as well. For the second keyway, we choose a position of 55 mm and 35 mm in length. The third keyway will be 85 mm and 40 mm in keyway length. The operator has the choice of using the machine as a sawing machine only or as a combination machine with sawing and routing in one sequence. For perfect cutting results, the feed rate of the saw is infinitely adjustable. To clean the groove of dust and chips, the machine can execute a so-called second run. A rabbit compensation is part of the intuitive software. Saved projects can be easily called up or programmed via the Power Panel computer. The workpiece configuration can also be imported by using a scanner reading a barcode or a QR code. Heavy-duty saw spindles ensure good cutting quality. Workpiece clamping is achieved by horizontal and vertical clamping units. The type and the length of the workpiece fence is determined by the application. The material support on the left-hand side for perfect alignment. Workpiece supports provide a perfect sit and positioning of the profiles and moldings. Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.